In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any Bitcoin pair or even another asset, but for context, it usually makes sense to have a Bitcoin chart on the screen. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It's usually located near the toolbar at the top of the chart window. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of tools and overlays to your charts. When you click Indicators, a new window or panel will pop up. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box so your cursor is active there. This is important because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and the fastest way to find exactly what you need is by typing it in instead of scrolling endlessly through lists. Now, in that search box, start typing Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. Give it a second to load all the matches. You want to look through the results and find the exact indicator named Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index, or the closest naming variation that clearly indicates it is the index you are looking for. Once you see it in the list, simply click on it. As soon as you click, TradingView will apply the indicator to your chart, and you should see it appear either in a new panel below your price chart or overlaid, depending on how it's designed. If you are using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, remember that the Pro version gives you more flexibility, like adding multiple indicators, saving custom layouts, and generally having a smoother experience with fewer limitations. I have an affiliate link for TradingView Pro in the description of this video. If you decide to upgrade using that link, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also unlocks more advanced charting features that pair really well with the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index. Once the indicator is on your chart, you can hover over its name to access the settings, adjust colors, or tweak any inputs to match your style. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with how it looks and where it sits in your layout, and you're all set. That's all you need to do to add the Bitcoin Bullish Percent Index inside TradingView Pro.